So I might have a problem. I'm seeing Temu more than I'm seeing my little smiley face boxes. Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Patrice. If this is your first time here, please be sure to look at the other content. If you enjoy that content, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you are not already a subscriber. In addition, head over to Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok and join the Craftable Things communities there as well. For my returning subscribers and members, hey y'all, welcome back. So today we have another Temu haul to unpackage. So first things first, shout out to Temu for sending me this package of craft supplies. I was able to pick out some things that I wanted to try from their website, and I'm going to unpackage it with y'all. We will go over the pricing and everything and see if some of this stuff is worth it. We're going to go through every single thing in this package, and we're going to see how much it costs and what we can actually use it for, and if the quality is good. So let's get to unpackaging. Alright guys, so let's take our packages out. And so this haul actually came packaged with the package inside, and there are two packages inside, and so we're going to open these up and see what we have. Okay, so I like how they have this package. They did a little bit extra because the last two Temu hauls that I've done, it didn't come in this packaging. So hopefully this is how they now package their things, a little more neater than if you look at the other videos that I've done. All right, y'all. So the first thing we have are some more sewing embroidery scissors, and these are so beautiful. They're butterflies. It's rose gold. I love these. And so they're not curved, they're straight, but these are really, really nice. I like their scissors. I've purchased a few pair of their sewing and embroidery scissors. These were $3.99. And so I ordered a few transfers. I just want to see what type of transfers these were, and these are just sample sizes, kind of. If you want, you can actually just look on their site and see the sizes that they are before ordering. But this looks like this could possibly be DTF. But this is an iron-on transfer, and this was $1.19 for this one. Y'all know I love bling, and so I ordered some of this Hot Fix rhinestone trim. And I don't know if it's, yeah, it seems that it's Hot Fix on the back. Yeah, there's like an adhesive on the back. And this was $2.89. I forgot to mention, it's 1 yard of this material. It says that it's Hot Fix, so I definitely need to test it out to see. So next we have some embroidery patches, and these were $3.39 for the package. So you can kind of see like the size. But these are cute, and there is some adhesive on the back so that you can iron on. These are really, really cute. So you can definitely do, like, make a jacket or so, or jeans. Different things you can do with these. All right, I've purchased some more embroidery patches, and these are kind of like chenille, but it says towel embroidery. And these are just letters. And they're okay. The quality isn't all that great, but they look pretty good. And this is felt. So it's felt with kind of like that embroidery or chenille type of look, but it specifically says towel embroidery. And these were, so this whole package was $5.09. So you get each letter of the alphabet. Next up we have, this is just some fabric, and it is just glitter polyester fabric that I wanted to see. Alright. It's a thinner material. I wanted to see about using this in like my appliques. And this was $2.89. And next up we have some, I think this is maybe some denim. I think I purchased 2 of these. Some denim embroidery patches. Yeah, it looks like there's a coating on the back. I'm gonna open it that way. So yeah. So there is some like heat and bond material or adhesive on the back. And so we can use this for if we're doing any type of patchwork. All right, so this is like a light denim, and I think I have another dark denim. It is thin. It's not a thick material. It is thin. So this is the darker, or maybe that was the white version. This is the dark version. I thought that looks kind of light, so I'll compare it so you guys can see. So the same thing, has adhesive on the back, but this is definitely the lighter of the 2. So this is them a comparison. And these were $3.79 each. All right, next I purchased this patch. This is also for embroidery. I purchased this patch, and there is Velcro. On the backing. So it's very, very good quality. I like it. So I just got to see like what I would actually use it for. Maybe, I'm not sure yet, but it does come with Velcro on the back. But the quality is really, really good. Very, very sturdy. And has like reflective material. So I also ordered t-shirt rulers so that I can take to school with me. And this is just to help with alignment. These were $4.19. Okay, I also purchased some of these stars, and I believe these were $2.49. They're stickers. They're rhinestone stickers. Y'all know I like bling. And for this package of 3, again, they're $2.49. $2.49. They don't really stick on the back. It's like they have some masking on them. Now, as I pull it off, some of the beading is coming off, so I don't know about that. But they say that these are stickers, but it kind of looks like these are going to be for Hotfix on the back. We'll have to check it out. Next, I ordered this fabric, and these are just fabric pieces, again, for me to be able to use in my projects. And 7 different patterns, or 7 different pieces come with this, and this was $1.99. All right. So here are the different patterns. So you have this one, and then we of course have the polka dot. We have more floral stripes, more polka dots, just smaller, and some checker pieces. So I must have ordered, well, no, this is a different one. So we have another patch, and this is like the same style, and this one also has like Velcro on the back of it. And this one was $1.69. So the other patch was $3.39, and this one was $1.69. The other patch was an infrared reflective flag. All right, and so our last set of things, I purchased more iron-on, and we have this, and this was $2.09. And I'm still thinking that this is DTF. It looks very much like DTF. I'm not sure what process they use, but I'll definitely have to test out a garment and wash it and see. But the color, y'all, is beautiful. The color is beautiful. We also have these. This is also iron-on, and this was $5.49 for all of these. And you can kind of see, you know, compared to my hand, you know, these are very small. So more so like you can do kind of patchwork with this. Maybe put on a jacket or smaller items. But you definitely want to check the sizes. They do have the sizes listed of the patches or of your iron-on transfers. They have the sizes listed on the product page. All right, and now we have this set, and this is $5.99, and these are a little bit larger than the other ones. Same type of material. We definitely have to check it, but the colors look amazing. The colors look really, really good. So there's different things that you could do with this. And again, this was $5.99. Very, very nice. I love how they incorporated the butterflies. Like in all these designs, it got something to do with butterflies, which I love because I love butterflies. Okay. So if you look at my hand, you can kind of see, you know, they're not overly large, but you can, you know, I think these work good probably with like smaller shirts, maybe small, medium. Kids. This would be a good kids size design. All right, and also I got some sublimation paper, and this was $3.49 for 20 pieces, so $3.49. And this is the A4 size, so I'm going to try this out and see. Okay, this was another set of iron-on that I purchased, and this is $5.49. These are a little bit smaller, but you can definitely press these onto various things. And then I also got some white HTV to test out. This is 5 pieces of HTV. These are 10 by 12, and for this it was $5.29. So we're going to try this out and see how it works. All right, y'all. So we are all done with unboxing our latest Temu package. It seems like just yesterday I was unboxing another one, but we just finished unboxing our most recent Temu package. So shout out to Temu for sending me these items so that I can see how I can use them in my craft room, and also let you all know some of the cool crafty tools that you might want to add to your craft room. A link will be listed below to all the items that I used today or that I showed you all today in case you're interested. In addition, my code will be listed below also, and you might want to use that so that you can get a discount. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the thumbs up. Also, make sure to check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. And if you're not already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the red subscribe button below. But that's going to be it for today, y'all. Thank you all so much for watching. Until next time.